Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone can output video over USB. Many Android phones use USB-C alt mode or MHL. Once done, pick the right cable or adapter, USB-C to HDMI for modern phones, or a USB adapter if specified. Plug the cable into the phone first, then the TV. Make sure the TV is set to the HDMI input you'll use and that the phone is unlocked so the TV can detect the signal. Next, configure both devices. When the phone detects the HDMI output, accept any prompt to enable screencasting or external display. If you don't see an image, open display settings on the phone and select mirror or change output resolution. Match the TV's native resolution to avoid scaling issues. Make sure audio is routed to HDMI in either device's sound settings so video plays with sound. If the phone offers, once connected, play a short clip to confirm picture, audio, and aspect ratio are correct. Adjust zoom or screen fit on the TV if needed. If the image doesn't appear, swap HDMI ports or try another cable and reboot the phone and TV. Often this clears handshake issues. Make sure any active adapters have power and update your phone firmware if persistent. One key tip: if audio is missing, explicitly switch audio output to HDMI in phone settings before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.